Amazon's affiliate program paid out over $100 million to their affiliates in 2022. So if you want to start earning a split cut of that, you need to know how to promote Amazon's products. So let's go over all the steps necessary to do so. Okay, and the first thing you need to do, of course, is sign up. So you can do so by going over to AmazonAssociates.com. And once you come over to the website, just click sign up and it'll take you through a couple of steps. And you can sign in with the Amazon account that you use to buy stuff, and it'll help you out tremendously in the sign up process. So it's basically just 3 steps. If you sign in with your Amazon account, they already have your information right here. And then you'll go over the website, mobile app list, and then profile. So it's really easy to sign up. And for this, it might look intimidating, but all you really need is just go to your Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or whatever it is, and copy your profile link. Like, this is my TikTok right here. All I'm gonna do is copy it. Then you can go back to the sign up and just copy that link and add it and just hit next. Then it's gonna ask for your preferred associate store ID. Just put your last name, first name, or something like that. And then if you want to tell them about the content you create, it don't really matter. They're probably still gonna accept you. They accept most people. Just put down, you know, you make content around cooking or something of the sort. I'm gonna say cooking so because it really don't matter that much. And then click content or niche website and how did you hear about it from whatever. And then, you know, you type this in and boom, just like that, you're finished. And like that, like I said, congrats, you're in. It's that easy to sign up for it. All right, and once you sign up, you're gonna have this bar over top of your screen now, and it's gonna be where you're gonna get your link to promote your product. So let's say we scrolled down and we clicked on a product and we wanted to promote this organic honey. What you would do is go up here and you will get the link, and this is the link to the product. So you can put it on your social media page, your bio, or whatever, or your blog, wherever you want to. So you would just hit copy and then just put the link wherever you want it to, or you can get the image for this as well and put it on your blog, website, or however you're going to promote it as well. And that's how it works with all the products on Amazon now. So just come up to the search bar and search whatever you want up, and then whatever product you click on, it will always be here for everything that's on Amazon's website. So now you can promote anything, no matter what niche you're in or category or wherever you're in, you can promote all the products. And quick tip, you always want to make sure you pick one niche. So if you're in the cooking niche, stay with cooking products, or if you're in the tech niche, stay in the tech niche. Because if you're using a website route, or you're using a social media account or anything of the sort, and you have a bunch of different niches in it, people will get confused. They will be less likely to follow you or come to your content, or it will confuse Google because they don't know where to put your account, because you're talking about everything basically, and it'll be way harder to grow. It'll take a long time to start earning sales. So just make sure you pick one niche and you stick to it. And also make sure it's a niche that you're at least bit interested in, because you'll be less likely to quit. Because if you just go straight for a niche because you think it'll make a lot of money but you're not interested in it, you're going to be in this niche for a while, for months. So it's a good chance that you might burn out. So just stick to something that you like or enjoy. Okay, so now that we're signed up to Amazon Associates, now let's look at a few different ways that we can promote our links now, because that's a very important part too. And the first way is through website/SEO, which is search engine optimization. Every website you see on Google is search engine optimized, and it's a good chance if they're in the top spots, whatever you're searching for, they're making a lot of money. So let's say you searched up best gaming chairs, and so you see all of those, they're all search engine optimized, and they're all probably making a decent penny from their website. And this right here is an example that one of my websites that I created is called TrophyBedding.com, and it's all about sheets. The bedding space is my niche, more specifically sheets, because you know I talk about all sheets on this website: silk sheets, linen sheets, benefits of sheets. So if you make a website, it'll be something like this. Just make sure you pick a niche and you stick to it, and just research the category / the niche, and make sure you have a lot of content / blogs, articles that you can write about. Because if you don't write blogs and don't pop up in Google, then you're not going to be able to get paid. What the website route, what you need to do is create a website. You can use a web hosting service like NameHero, and once you do this, you can start writing blog content around your niche. So let's say you was in the sheets niche. So what you would do is just find different blog topics like mine: how long do bed sheets last, what sheets are good for rough feet, sheets that don't stain easy. So you would basically what you're doing is just answering questions people search up in Google. And you want to make sure you make content with buyer intent behind it as well, like best sheets or top 10 sheets, something like that, because you know people that's searching for something like that is ready to buy. So if you're trying to go to website route, I highly recommend it, because websites, it does take a long time to grow up, but it's definitely profitable once you stick to it and you build it up. Another way that you can build up an audience for your affiliate marketing is through Facebook groups. Facebook groups is a good way as well, because a lot of people join the groups and it can be highly niched and targeted as well. So let's say you had a niche about coffee, You just go up to the group, search up coffees. You can either join them or you can create them. Like you can see how many people enjoy coffee. So let's say you was promoting, you know, coffee mugs or coffee cups, coffee something related in your niche from Amazon, then you can join one of these groups and just start talking about coffee. So, you know, they have a lot of members as well, 382,000 members, 368,000, 224,000. So all them people can potentially see your links when you link them in. You can just don't go in and just start spamming out links though. That's very annoying. You want to make sure you're having actual conversations with them and be like, oh, hey, if you know, want to check out this coffee mug, I love it, and then just link in, you know, the product or, you know, the coffee mug or whatever it is. Just link it in after, you know, you have good conversations with them. Another way people promote Amazon products is through TikTok, and that's just by buying like cheap $5 to $10 products and just calling it great Amazon finds like these right here, and you get a lot of views. And the way this works is you buy them, and as you can see, they showcase off the product. So let's say someone wanted to buy a product that they seen, you would have the links in the bio. As you can see, even right here, links are both in my bio, so they know exactly what they're doing. She has 10.9 million views, and let's say just a mere 100,000 people went off of her links and bought something. That's over $100,000 in profit just from this video. So if you can have a viral video with these type of videos, you can definitely rack up a lot of money. So this is an amazing way to go, and it's a lot of these, and they get a lot of views as well. 31 million views, 451,000 views, 12 million views. As you can see, a lot of people like Amazon finds. It's a very popular category on TikTok right now, and you can not only put these on TikTok, but you can put them on Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts and do it all the same thing on all the platforms as well. Just use an app like Snaptik.app to remove your logo, and you can just repurpose it like that, which make this a highly profitable way to start Amazon affiliate marketing as well. Okay, and our final way that I'm going to talk about that you can promote your Amazon links is through Pinterest marketing. And Pinterest marketing is slept on by a lot of people, but it's an amazing way that you can promote your products. And the way you want to do this is, of course, by going to Pinterest first, signing up. And once you do this, let's say you had a product around coffee again, so you type in coffee mugs, and let's see what came up. As you can see, it's a lot of different coffee mugs that come up, a lot of them. And the way they market this, they get a picture of the coffee mug like this one right here. And what I love about Pinterest is it's very easy to buy something, and a lot of people come to Pinterest just to save something to buy it as well. Because as you can see, all we did was click on it, and once you can visit the site or click on a pin like this, and you go straight to it. You can add it to your cart and buy it just like that. So if you can link in your Amazon products, make a blog around it, or talk about it of some sort on Pinterest, you can easily make sales like that. And all you have to do is learn how to do Pinterest SEO, and you can easily, even with a new account, be in the top results in just a couple months. That's why I love Pinterest. With Google, it can take half a year or even longer to show up in the top 10 results, but with Pinterest, it can take as little as a month. All right, now right there is how you can sign up to an Amazon affiliate, get your links, and then start promoting them. I hope you have success with promoting your Amazon links, because Amazon pays out a lot of money to their affiliates if you can generate the sales. And on top of this, Amazon is probably the biggest company in the world, let's be honest, when it comes to e-commerce. So they already have a lot of trust with their customers, so it's going to be easy to get conversions, because once you send them over to Amazon, they're going to be like, this is Amazon, I love Amazon, so I'm gonna buy this, you know. So that means a higher conversion rate for you. So I hope this video was helpful, and I wish you good luck in your journey. Until next time.